Ngiyakubingelela nonke lapho emakhaya mbukeli wami.
I'm greeting you all at home,
Kuzo zonke izindawo
all over the places,
emhlabeni wonke.
all over the world.
Nangu umprofeti uDr X
Here's the prophet Dr. X,
othonyiwe
who's been sent,
ophakamisa abantu.
who helps people.
Ngize kuwe
I'm here to you.
yazi ukuthi
Know that
wavala umuntu
somebody closes,
uyovula umuntu.
somebody will also open.
uNkulunkulu uthumela umuntu
God tells somebody to help
ngaphakathi kwabantu
inside the people
ukuthi asize abantu.
so that he can help people.
Umprofeti ke lo osebenza ngobizo
The prophet is working with on transgression
luka moya.
of the calling.
Nasi saziso mbukeli wami
Here's a saying
esihamba phambili.
that goes forward.
Ngazisa bonke abantu.
I'm telling all people,
Ngifuna abantu abathi izinto zethu ivalekile.
I want all people who says things are not
Ngifuna abantu abathi mina nginesiphiwo kodwa asicaci sivaliwe.
I want all people with gift and say that they don't
Ungaba
see their
umfundisi.
gifts. You can be a priest.
Ungaba umthandazi.
You can be a
Ungaba
prayer.
usebenza ngani ngokop-Afrika.
You can be a workful prayer.
Ngiyakumema
I ask you
ngalomzuzu
this minute
ngomhla ka 10
on the 10th,
10 May
10 May,
ngibiza bonke abantu lapha olwandle.
I'm asking all people to go to the sea
Mhla ka 10
on
May
the 10th May.
ngo-10 ekseni
10 o'clock in the morning,
ngizobe sengikhona olwandle.
I'll be there at the sea.
Ngizobe ngiphakamisa iy'phiwo zabantu.
I'll be helping people.
Njengamanje awusaphuphi.
Right now you don't dream anymore.
Uma ulele
When you are sleeping,
isidalwa sakhe idalwa zakho
your ancestors,
ayisasondeli kuwe.
they don't come to you anymore.
Ngithi ngizophakamisa abantu
I'm here to help you.
abavalwa.
Those who have been closed,
Ngizovula inhlanhla yakho.
I'm going to open up your luckies.
Ikhona imfihlakalo
There is a secret
esolwandle.
that is in the sea.
Ikhona imfihlakalo kamoya
There is a secret of
engifuna ukukudibanisa nayo.
that I want to meet you
Ngifuna
to
kuvuleke
meet.
inhlanhla yakho.
I want the luckies
Ngifuna
to open.
kuvuleke imali yakho.
I want the money to open.
Ngifuna kuvuleke izinto zakho.
I want things to open up.
Ngifuna kuvuleke isipho sakho.
I want your gift to open.
Wena ozobe ukhona.
The one that is going to be there.
Ngicela ungithengele ikhandlela elibomvu.
Please buy a red candle.
Ngiyolubusisa khona lapha
I'll be
ngasolwandle.
blessing it at the sea.
Ebese ungiphathela imbewu yakho.
And then you have your seed.
Ngifuna abantu
I want people
abathi sifuna kukhanya izinto.
that I want them to get
Sifuna
light.
ukuphakama.
They want to get risen up
Sifuna izinto zethu ziphakame.
so that their things can
Ngizobe
open up.
ngifaka abantu
I'll be putting seed people
ngibageza lapha ngasolwandle.
at the sea
Ngibahlambulula.
so that we cleanse them.
Ngizoyikhipha lento
I will take it out
abakufake yona.
that they put in
Ngo-10 ekseni.
at 10 o'clock in the
Ngicela
morning.
ungiphathele imbewu
I
yakho
want you to have your seed
ka 800 rand.
of 800
Bese
rand.
uphatha ishumi
Then you have your 1 rand
elimhlophe.
that is white.
Ngizawuhamba ngicele ngalo.
I will be asking
Lelo
with it.
shumi lizokusala khona
Your
lapha
1 rand
ngasolwandle.
will be inside the
Ngithi
sea.
izinto
I
zizokwenzeka.
say things will happen.
Kuzovuleka amaphupho wakho.
Things will open up.
Kuzovuleka inhlanhla yakho.
Your luckies will open up.
Kudala ngibafaka abantu olwandle.
I've been people many times.
Kunabantu abaningi
There are many people.
izinto zabo kade zimnyama.
The things are in the darkness.
Ngabasa olwandle.
Before going to the
Kwavuleka izinto.
things open up.
Nginobufakazi la enqabeni.
I've got a witness.
Kunabantu abagibela imoto
There are
namhlanje.
people who are driving. cars.
Kunabantu abasebenzayo
There are
namhlanje.
people who are working today.
Kunabantu abanamabhizinisi
They've
namhlanje.
got people that businesses
Engabathatha
today,
ngabasa olwandle.
that I took them to the
Ngithi
sea.
ngomhla ka 10 May
On the 10th
bantu
of May,
baseThekwini,
people in Durban,
Joburg,
Johannesburg,
Mpumalanga,
Mpumalanga,
umhlaba wonke.
all over the
Fona
world.
njengamanje.
Phone right now.
Fona njengamanje.
Phone right
Fona
now.
njengamanje.
Phone right
Naka
now.
amafoni ehla.
Here are the phones.
Lapho ngizobe ngingathathi imali.
I won't be taking money.
Angithathi imbewu lapho.
I won't be taking the seed.
Naka ama-account.
Here are the account
Ngiphathele
numbers.
islip.
You bring your slip.
Naka ama-account ehla enyuka.
Here are your account numbers
Gcina
on the
islip
screen.
sakho njengamanje.
You bring your slip.
Ngicela ukuthi usheshe uphuthume.
Please come, hurry up.
Shesha uphuthume.
Hurry up.
Lapho olwandle
There by the
ngizobe
sea.
ngingathathi iminikelo.
I won't be taking
Ngizobe
anything.
ngingathathi imbewu.
I will not be taking the
Fona
seed.
njengamanje.
Phone right now.
Wena ofuna olwandle.
The one who wants to
Wena
come.
ofuna ngiyokuvula.
The one who wants to get your
Ngivule
things.
inhlanhla yakho.
So that I open up your luckies.
Ngivule amaphupho wakho.
So that I can open up your
Ngithi
dreams.
mina
I'm saying
wena olapha eGolden
the one
ngaphethelo.
in
Ungabe
Johannesburg,
usempumalanga.
whether you're in Mpumalanga,
Ikhona ibhasi ehlelwayo
there is a bus that has been prepared
ezawuphuma khona la.
that is going to leave
650 rand.
650 rand.
650 rand.
650 rand.
I-return.
Return.
I-return.
Return.
650 rand.
650
Uma
rand.
ufisa ukuphuma ngebhasi
When you want to wish to go with
iyophuma
the bus,
ngoLwesihlanu
it is
ntambama.
going to leave on Friday.
Izibuye ngomgqibelo
It is going to
ntambama.
come back on Saturday.
Ngithi fona njengamanje.
Phone right now.
Wena osegoli
The one in Soweto, Johannesburg, Pretoria,
iGauteng yonke
Gauteng,
namaphethela
all over.
fona njengamanje ufuna
Phone
ulwazi
right now.
650 rand
650 rand
i-return
return.
ngithi mina
I'm saying
zizokwenzeka izinto
things will happen.
ngizokuthatha ngikufake
I'll
phansi
take you
egagasini
and put you in the sea,
phakathi egagasini olwandle
right inside the sea.
ngikufake emanzini
I'll put you in the water.
ngizoyikhipha lento
I'll take out all that
eyafakwa kuwe
was put in
noma
you,
eyafakwa ekhaya
whether it was put at
imsamo
home,
yobumnyama
things of darkness.
ngizoyibulala lapha
I'm going
eThekwini
to kill it in
abaphuma
Durban.
abantu eThekwini
People
namaphethela
come out. to
wena ofuna
Durban.
ukuyolwandle
The one who wants to go to
ofuna
Durban.
ukuhamba nomprofeti
You want to go with the
Fona
prophet.
njengamanje.
Phone right
Kuzovuleka
now.
inhlanhla yakho.
Phone right now so that your things can
kanti
open.
nenalapho
You there
ngomhla ka-31 May
on the 31st
bantu
of May,
base-Forecrust
Fall Crust
edrobheni phakathi
in town.
ngiza lapho e-town hall
I'll be coming to town hall.
Forecrust town hall
Fall Crust town hall.
abaphuma abantu lapha
All of
e-Forecrust
you come to call.
umprofeti uzobe ethandazela
The prophet will be
zonke
praying.
lezi ndawo
All those places,
zizokwenzeka izinto
things will be
kanti
happening.
wena oza lapha eThekwini
Those that is coming to
ngizokuphathela
Durban,
ngisho izwashi
I'll be bringing all
engizobe
the
ngiphathele sona
I'll be bringing-
ozohamba usiphethe
that you will be
ngithi-ke
taking
njalo
all the
uma ufuna
time.
ukubona umprofeti
You want to see the prophet.
uyambona ngolesine one
You
on
see him on
one
Thursday,
uyambona ngomgqibelo one on one
You see him on Saturday,
uyambona
one on one.
ngesonto one on one
Sunday, one on one.
ukubona umprofeti
To see the prophet,
uzohlala naye
you
phansi
come and sit with him
ahlahlube umprofeti
so that he can check you.
500 rand
It's
kuphela
500 rand.
wena ngabe use-Cape Town
Whether you're in Cape
all
Town,
over South Africa
all over South Africa,
fona njengamanje
phone right now.
phatha ingubo yokulala
Bring your blanket.
sinayo indawo yokulala
We've got a place where to
iwasho
sleep.
siyakuphosela
We bring you all the cleansing
wena
material.
osekudeni
You that you are far,
fona njengamanje
phone right now.
iziwasho siyakuphosela
The cleansing materials will be posted
every
to you.
Sunday
Every Sunday.
siyakhonza kuleli bandla
We are praying every Sunday.
siyadumisa
We are praying every Sunday.
siyathandazela
We are praising.
ela bonke abagulayo
All those who are sick,
abanezinkinga
all those got
baphuthume
problems,
khona njengamanje
please hurry up right
ngithi
now.
nafona njengamanje
Phone right now.
ngomhla ka-10
On the
ngomhla
10th,
ka-10
10th,
zobe zenzeka eDurban
things will be happening
olwandle
at the Durban
ngizobe
Sea.
ngigeza abantu
Will be cleansing
fona
people.
njengamanje
Phone right
fona
now.
njengamanje
Phone right now.
ngizokuphakamisa inhlanhla
I'll
yakho
be helping you to raise up your
ngizovula
hand.
izinto
I'll be
zakho
opening up things.
ngizokuphakamisa
I'll be raising
kanti
you
bantu
up.
baseDurban
People on Durban,
livuliwe i-office
the office is open.
phethe yonke insebenzo
That has got all
kaprofeti
the material.
lapha ngaseDurban station
Durban Station.
fona njengamanje
Phone right
nanka
now.
amafoni
Here are the phone
afonele
numbers.
njengamanje
Phone right
wena
now.
ulapha ngaseThekwini
You that in Durban,
ufune ulwazi
you know, look for
lokuthola
the Lord.
ama-product kamprofeti
Look for the product of the prophet.
uNkulunkulu anibuse njalo
God bless you.
inkosi mayinibusisa
God bless you.
ngiyathanda kakhulu
I love you all.
asidibane mhla ka-10
Let us meet on the
lapho
10th
olwandle
at the sea
sidibane khona
Let us
ngizogeza
meet there.
ngizokuwasha
so that I can cleanse
ngiyathanda
you.
kakhulu
I love you all.
inkosi nibusise
God bless
God
you.
bless you kukhona abantu abanesibindi
Are people that are audacious,
isibindi senyoka
indomitable spirit of audacity.
khona omama abaphilayo namanje
There are women that are still alive.
nobaba bakhona
Father,
ngaphakathi
they are inside here.
abanesibindi
They
sikaSathane
are very audacious.
abaze bahambe
They
emhlabeni
will pass on.
bayongena ebhoksini
Get inside the coffin
ugoqwe umzimba wabo
body will be wrapped up.
umhlaba
with the earth and all.
phela wena umhlaba
You are
wathathwa
a sword.
emhlabathini
You are coming from the dust.
bagoqwe baze bayongcwatshwa
You'll be wrapped
namanyala
up and get
bengazange
buried
bawakhulume
without
enganeni
confessing to the
nasemndenini
children and the family.
onke lamanyala abahamba nawo
All those unethical behavior.
azosala abophe laba abaphilayo
Those left will be held responsible.
azobopha inzalo yabo
The offsprings will be liable.
baningi abaningi abantu ngikhuluma
Many
nomhlaba
people,
wonke
to the
ongibhekile
viewers all over the world. Yeah.
baningi abantu
How many
abasenkingeni
people that are in trouble
ngenxa yabantu abaphila
because
emndenini
of the
bahamba
family member.
benama-secret
They
amanyala
left with some secrets that are abominable.
abanye kumnyama phakathi wenu
The life is dark. Among you,
abaphumeleli
they don't succeed.
akwakheki
No construction.
awunankosikazi
No wife.
uyayithola indoda
You get
ikushiye
a man will jilt you.
uphethe iy'ngane
Got
ezihlukene
children,
ngobaba
different
ziwu-4
fathers'
iy'ngane
name, Zine.
uyayizama impilo
You will
uyafuna
tell
ukuthi
your
konakelephi
life, what went wrong?
kanti inkinga isukela
Problem
emumva
is emanating from the origin,
lapha kubazali bakho
from your parents.
uthola iqalekiso
You heard lies
Zasemndenini.
curses of the family.
baningi abantu okufuze ngabe akude
People
nempilo
supposed to be
phakathi kwenu
far away in life among you.
kodwa impilo
Their
yabo
life
ivalwe yilaba abahamba benama secret
they left with izimfihlo,
abanemfihlo
with confidentiality.
kukhona abantu phakathi kwenu
People among you
abangazazi ibongo
don't even
zabo
know their biological
kodwa
parents.
bazalwa
They're
oma
given
babo
birth by their
baze
mothers.
bahambe
They are
emhlabeni
passed on.
bebafihlele
They are hiding
ma secret amabi
izimfihlo that are very disgusting.
abanye baze bawongena
People will
emgodini
be buried there, but
babulala abantwana
they
bakhipha
kill
izisu
children, terminated pregnancy.
baphosa ingane
They threw
kodustbin
there by the rubbish bins.
baphosa ingane emhosheni
There by the chasm.
baningi abantu phakathi kwenu ngisho
People among
amadoda
you, even men,
aneyimfihlo
with some secrets.
abanye baneyingane ngaphandle bahlezi nabafazi
Illegitimate children.
abatshela abafazi ukuthi
They don't
nginengane
disclose them.
ngaphandle
I've got another child
Ngisho
there that
namadoda.
is illegitimate.
ake lilaleli
Gentlemen,
ma-afrika
Africans, please
nawo
listen.
ngibhekile ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana
Viewers, social
Mina
network,
angiselanga ukuzodlala.
did not come to.
ngaphuma nje
I
emanyaleni
quitted immorality.
abafuna igame
If you want to dlala,
abayobukela ini pirates noma i-chiefs
some famous
abekho abathanda amagame balinde usiso sokuhloko ntambama
evening.
abazile
No, they did not come.
ngikhuluma iqiniso
I'm speaking the truth
Linjalo.
as it is.
angilahla unembeza
Don't have a
mangila
guilty conscience.
angihambi noma
I don't
yikuphi
go anywhere.
angilali noma
I don't
yikuphi
sleep anywhere.
angikhulumi
I
noma
don't
yini
speak anything.
ngaphuma
I
emanyaleni
quitted
bakhona abanye
unrighteousness.
phakathi kwenu
People among you
abasaphila emanyaleni
still immoral.
namhlanje bakhona kule ndawo
Present
bazophuma
they'll go
bayoba
out
zingulube
to be
ngaphandle
hawkish outside like pigs.
angixoki apha
I'm not a liar.
le mpilo engikhuluma la
The lifestyle
ngiyayiphila futhi
I practice what
impilo
I
yamanyala
fallacious life.
impilo
The
yobungulube
life of hawkishness.
ayisani ndawo
Your life will be in the
baningi abanye phakathi kwenu
and people among
abangaphumeleli
you, they don't succeed.
yingenxa yokuthi baphila impilo
Because they
yobungulube
lifestyle like a pig they behave.
ma uphila impilo yobungulube ngeke uze wakho
You
umuzi
cannot build a home.
ma uyindoda
You're a man.
uma umuntu wesilisa
You are a male.
uphila impilo yokuba ingulube
Like a pig.
yonke into yenzayo
Whatever
iyofana
you do,
nobungulube
it will be hawkish like a pig.
ingakho abanye begcwele iy'kweletu
People are full of credits.
abanye njengoba ngikhuluma phakathi kwenu
Among us
kade baqala
people,
ukusebenza
they work long
akho ngisho umuzi ekhaya
homestead.
akho ngisho indlu
No room.
iphalamende lasekhaya
Shamthetho there.
umuzi nomuzi kumele ube nephalamende
There must
lakhona
be a sanctuary there
la kuguqwa khona
where everyone is kneeling.
abanye basahlezi emzini
People in
oyise
father's home and all.
abafuna ukuqhubekisa
Don't
umuzi
want to
bandise
expand
umuzi
to expand
ngenxa yokuphila impilo yamanyala
because of this
baney'kweletu
unrighteousness.
omashonisa
For credits, loan sharks,
impilo imile
the life is on standstill.
lalani bakwethu
Listen, friend.
njengoba sila
These are all present.
kumele sikhulume
We have
iqiniso
propagate truth.
take it or leave it
We are chatting on Messiah.
iqiniso
Truth.
liyamkhulula
It will free somebody.
impilo ehlanzekileyo
The
phambi
life
kaNkulunkulu
that is hygienic in the presence
ikwenza
of
ukuthi
God.
kuqaqeke izinto zakho
Your mental
ngoba
will be
ingelosi
free.
namadlozi akini
Angels and sisters,
amathonga ayasondela
They
kuwena
will be attracted to you because of that.
afuna kusize la siphila
Do
impilo
not come
yamanga
here to be fallacious.
ma uphila impilo yamanga
A lifestyle
Ayake
of
ngikutshele.
false. Let me tell you.
ithi incwadi kaHosea 4
Prophet
verse
Hosea
6
Yes,
phakama isandla ithi
Lift
Nkosi
up your hands, Lord.
ngisize baba
You will be found.
ngiphi indlebe
Give me the
zikamoya
of attention.
Ngipha ukuzithoba.
Spiritual humility and modesty.
ishayile hlombe
Give a round of applause.
ake ngintshele
Let me tell you.
baningi abantu abaseyinkonzweni
People that are within churches. They
bayathandaza
are prayer warriors.
bashaya ihlombe
They are complimenting. They
bayahlabelela
are singing.
kodwa impilo abayiphilayo
Their
mabengekho
lifestyle, if
enkonzweni
they are no more within the
basaphila
church,
impilo yamanyala
they
ngaphandle
are still practicing unrighteousness outside.
ba right namhlanje
They are upright today.
Bahle bagezile.
They are very handsome, and
Ba-clean.
beautiful. hlanzekile.
Kwathi inhliziyo yakhe iyakwazi
Your heart is
ukuthi njoba
aware
ula,
as you are present.
where you coming from?
Uvelaphi?
ulalephi,
Where did you sleep?
uvukaphi,
Where did you wake up?
wenzeni.
What have you done?
Ayikho na into esilengiso
Anything that is abominable
oyenzile
that you have done,
noyenzayo
that you are busy with right
ongahlukani
now,
naye.
that you don't want to quit from.
uma ungashintsha la khona abantu abangayi phambili
People that
ngenxa ukuthi abafuni ukushintsha indlela
they don't want to change.
zobumnyama eyibasa kwanhliziyo ngise.
They lead them astray.
Imizi baba babo iyafa ngenxa yokuphila impilo yamanga. Uyabona ke impilo yamanga,
fallacious life.
impilo yamanga mntana,
Fallacious life.
ake ngitshele,
Let me tell you.
idala ikhesi isiqalekiso. Uyabona uma unamadoda
If
awu2
you've got two men in your
Unenkinga.
life, you're in a dilemma.
phela impilo yamanga.
Your life is false.
Uyabona uma ngabe uyindoda uhlala nomuntu endlini ubuye futhi uyolala ngaphandle uyindoda.
Extramarital affair.
Ngizolitshela
You're a
iqiniso
man.
njalo.
I'll tell you the truth as it is.
Angifuni ukuthi mangihamba emhlabeni
If I'm dying,
ngifike ngivinjwe
be
ngale.
suspended in the realm of spirit.
Kumele ngihambe emhlabeni
To go
ngikhuluma
there,
iqiniso
propagate
ngoba nami
the truth.
ngakhululwa
I've got
emanyaleni.
released from unrighteousness.
Ngafaka eqinisweni.
Control.
Kuyenzeka ube kule ndawo uphila impilo yamanga.
You are inside here. Your life is false.
Ithi incwadi Hosea 4:6
Prophet
ithi
Hosea
abantu
4,
bami
my
bayabhubha
people
bayafa
are destroyed
ngenxa
here.
yokuswela ulwazi.
Because they are
Baningi
not
abantu
efficient
abaseyinkonzweni
Some people will think
kodwa
that
abasabhukuda emanyaleni, abanye basajola, abanye bahamba belala namadoda, abanye bahamba belala nabafazi.
eating promiscuity.
Nanabafazi babantu,
Other people's women as well.
nanamadoda abantu. Bakhona abanye la
Fornication, some people,
abanesibindi
they are very
sokuhlukanisa
audacious
imizi.
to dissect the
Awuhlukanisa umuzi,
family.
awuchithe
They'll
umuzi.
separate it and get it scattered.
Awungizwe
You
zongizwe.
don't understand the prophet.
Ngiyabuwa la. Ngibuwa nithi
It is the truth.
lalanda.
Listen,
Iqiniso
the truth.
liyamphumelelisa umuntu.
Someone will succeed through it.
Kodwa amanga
Lies
adala ikhesi isiqalekiso.
that may cause isiqalekiso, which is called curse.
Uma silapha sizogezwa.
Come to be washed.
Abanye phakathi kwenu
People among
bathunywe
you
ngabantu bakubo
are
abahamba
saved
emhlabeni
by
benamaqala.
with some offenses.
Esizweni
The
likamoya.
realm of the spirit.
Mama umdala ungaka.
We are grown
Awubheka
up.
ukuphi?
You see, where are
Ulethobani.
you? Who brought you
Ngoba
in
uzela.
there? You are
Ngoba
here.
kunabantu abaphethe
People that are
abakwengamele.
put the-
Abanye babo
the-
baboshiwe ezweni
the
likamoya.
captivity of the
Badinga
realm
wena
of the-
uzobakhipha
They
kule
want
ndawo.
you to rescue them,
Uzobakhulula kule
to
ndawo.
release them.
Wenzani
How
wena?
are you doing?
Wafa umuzi
The
kayihlu
home is
khona.
antiquated in your presence.
Abantu bajaha ukuhlabelela.
People want to sing,
Bajaha ukushaya
to
ihlombe.
compliment with their hands and all.
Mabephuma lapho
After that,
baphume bawenza
they go
amanyala.
up to do what is not right.
Babuya
They
ngesandile.
come back ngeso.
Bahlabelele
They are
bashaya
singing.
ihlombe
They are complimenting
abafuna
the
ukushintsha
devil. They
abantu
don't want to-
bafuna ukuhamba lolu hambo begcwele amanyala begcwele amaphunga amadoda begcwele amaphunga amantombazane.
Others of women.
Uyabona nje mangabe uyindoda
See if you're a man.
unonkosikazi ujola unenkinga onayo.
You're in a dilemma.
I will tell you now.
Ja, right.
Mangabe umuntu wesimame unomuntu ohlala naye endlini
With a spouse.
uphuma uye phansi kwesihlahla uyokhumunicate uyolala ngaphandle une problem onayo.
You are in trouble.
Kusho ukuthi kunenkinga
There
ngasendlini.
is a problem there where you emanate from.
enye into ehluphayo
The other thing is,
isimilo.
He behaved.
Abantu bakulesikhathi abanasimilo.
They-
Ungathi bagcatshwe ngenhlanga yabafazi,
Like
ungathi
females,
bagcatshwe ngenhlanga yamadoda.
They should
Kumele kukhona abesifazane abathi mabeke babona indoda nje bayahlanya emakhaya. Kukhona amadoda athi mayibona abafazi. Uyofika nabafazi wemntaka baba.
Go with women, let men.
Abanye baba ubasho ukuthi
Come on,
bakhipha
don't even
izise
know how many
ingaki.
terminations of
Sebafelwa
pregnancy.
amadoda
How many
amangaki.
men died in their
Ayikho into
lives?
engozi njengokuhamba
It's very
ulala.
detrimental more than fornication.
Abanye imizi
The homestead.
yo baba babo iyafa
Collapsing.
namanje impilo yabo sebebadala bakhulile akukho umfazi akanalutho unezikweletu indlela aphila
The
ngayo
behavior and the lifestyle.
ngitshela
Let me
iqiniso
tell you
njalo
the truth as it
yabona emhlabeni
is. On the planet Earth,
ukuze uphumelele
for you to succeed,
kunabantu okumele uhlukane
there are
nabo
people there to separate. You should separate.
ukuze uphumelele emhlabeni kunezindlela okumele zigokwe zingahanjwa nguwe
Not to
ake
be
ngitshele
gone. Let me tell you.
oh nkosi nangu babetha ngikhuluma
Father says I must speak.
la ngitshele kahle
Attention, please.
Mangiza la
Come
ngidadishi.
here, I improvise.
njengoba ungibona la ngimela
Here, I'm here.
angihambi ngedwa
No, I'm not alone.
kukhona
There is
ingelosi
an angel.
kukhona abakwaqabo
There
okhokho
are
bami
people of the predecessors
abangimisa
of
kule
the
ndawo
Father.
abangibuyise
There are
ezweni
people
lokufa
who from the
sekujutshulwe
realm of
ngebhamu
God.
ibhamu
Shut about
seyikelile iy'nhlamvu bathi
Bullets
no
penetrated,
awukaqedi
they say.
ukusebenzisa ukuphumele wona
Your mission is not yet accomplished.
maningi abanye phakathi kwenu
People
abasinde
around you,
engozini
they survived
abanye
the
basinde
incident.
engozini
Some
zey'moto
survived the
abanye
crash of
basinde
the
ey'bhanyini
Some they
hhayi ngoba
survived the
bebezosinda
shots,
kodwa basindiswa amadlozi wabo namathonga ngoba kunezinto okusamele bayigcine emakhaya
That must be taken care there at home.
yonke into onayo nemoto onayo akuyona yakho uyiphathisiwe uma ngabe uyiphatha careless
Managing it, you are reckless.
uzoyiswela
You may lose it.
nemali onayo akuyona yakho
Money is not yours as well.
uyiphathiswe amathonga
just
kini
managing
ngoba
it for your
kumele uvuse
ancestors.
umuzi
You
kayihlo
have to revive
kunamaqala
them because
abawashiye
of the
emhlabeni
offenses
bawashiya
and
bengazange
committed.
bawagcine
Did not
okumele le mali isebenze ukugcina lawo maqala ukuze isibuso sakho
so that
singapheli
your blessing could always be there.
wena apho uthatha imali
You take the
uyidla nezifebe
You squander it with adulterers.
njengoba ulapha nje awulalile
You
ubuye
did not sleep,
emajoyintini
you come
uphethwe
from
nayibhabhalazi
intoxication area.
nemali ayisekho
Bablas, no.
uhlala nomfazi
No more, you're quiet.
mawubuya lapho mawubuya lapha ebusuku ekseni ubuya nemali ayisekho akho ngisho igross endlini ingane yabantu iyalamba ngoba wena ubungalele lala mawungalele ebusuku useyibhotini amadlozi akho afuna ukukhuluma ebusuku azokhuluma kanjani
They want to
usemanyaleni
converse with you. They can't because you are in the entertainment area.
uthi ubaba ngitshele
Father says, I must tell you.
yonke indlela oyihamba kulomhlaba awubokwazi ukuthi awuyihambeli wena kuphela uyihambela ngisho iy'ngane zakho
For your children as well.
onke amanyalo owenzayo ayosala ey'nganeni zakho zonke iy'mfihlo onazo yongena nasethuneni ziyosala heyi uthi ubaba angikhuluma
Father says, I must speak.
uthi ubaba ngikhuluma
Father says, I must speak.
uthi ubaba ngikhuluma
He says, I must speak.
uthi ubaba
He
ngikhuluma
says, I must speak.
uthi ubaba ngikhuluma
Father says, I must speak.
bathe ubaba ngikhuluma
Father says, I must speak.
zithi ithunywa
The
ngikhuluma
messenger says, I must
uthi ubaba
speak.
ngikhuluma
They say, I must speak.
baningi abantu
How many
abasenkingeni
people that are in trouble
ngenxa yezindlela
because of their
ezahanjwa ngoyise
attitude, because
nonina
of their parents.
abanye basematshaleni namhlanje abanye impilo imile bafundile baneyitifiketi abanye babuye emavasithi abanye basiqedile isikole kodwa imisebenzi ayikho
There are no jobs.
abantu bathola umsebenzi
People
ukuthaphutapha
get jobs
eduze
like
kwakho
this, side to side.
wena uyafaka ama-CV
You are putting
awubizwa
tons of, no one is calling you.
kanti inkinga ekhona
Problem is
uthola isiqalekiso
the
sabazali
curse of your parents. You are responsible.
wemaqhawe
How
Phakama isandla.
Lenza.
othi inkosi ngihlambulule
Lord, cleanse me.
ngigeze iqalekiso
Wash the curses from
zasemndenini
all my family.
nezinkulumo ezimbi
Controversies that
ezakhulunywa.
are spoken.
ngizocela
I
ukuhlanjululwa
come to be cleansed.
ngicela ukugezwa
Please wash me.
ehlisa isandla
Hands down.
ake ngintshele
Let me inform you.
into nento
Each and everything
engalunganga
that is not righteous.
Oyenza kumuntu
Whatever
nanoma
you commit
yikuphi umuntu.
against somebody, irrespective of who he is,
uyihambela ngisho izingane zakho
you are doing it for your children as well.
iyokohlela ey'nganeni zakho
It will be inherited by your children.
noma wena
You yourself
ingazange
did
sakufika.
not come to you.
uma wenza lento okuthiwa
If you are doing
ubufebe niyasaba ukukhuluma ngaleli gama nabefundisi bayalisaba ngoba baphila ngaphansi kwalo umfundisi uthe shumayela unentombi la esontweni
There is a side chick who is a
Kunabafazi abangekho
helper. Some
emthethweni.
women that are
abanye abefundisi
official.
bagxeka
Some
iy'thembu
pastors
bayigxeka
are
iy'thembu ame phambili athi mina isithembu
I
asifuneki
don't like polygamy.
kodwa eceleni
Yet on the other
uney'ntombi
side, it's got chicks.
ungcono onesithembu
Side
kunalo
chicks.
othi
Maybe
akanasithembu
it's the one
kodwa
who's
ulala
polygamous,
ngaphandle
yet
namantombazane
he's committing infidelity with women.
sanibonani
Good afternoon.
sanibonani enqabeni
Good afternoon within the church.
ehlisa uyabona amadoda
Gentlemen,
wemadoda
Men.
njengoba sila
as you are present here,
akuyona yokuchitha isizungu
you are not bought here.
sizofuna ukuvusa imizi baba sibe ngamadoda esothi masihambe emhlabeni sihlangabezwe obaba bethu sihlangabezwe omkhulu bethu esingabazi bezosinikeza izibusiso bethi wahamba kahle mfana emhlabeni wawushiya umuzi igama lethanzanga liphele emhlabeni ukhona
Finished in your presence.